Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this awesome 2016 Coleman Dutchmen. It's a 17 bunkhouse, really a great little starter unit for a young family. It's got a great price on it. Power tongue jack. It's got a nice little lots of room for a little trailer, lots of storage in there. If you look under there, there's a ton of storage. So if you want to bring all your tents and gear and chairs, it'll all fit in there nicely. And a nice awning out here. Let's go inside and check it out. Now, as you can see, this is a bunkhouse, which is nice. So you got a little bit bigger bunk here and a smaller bunk up top. So if you have a teenager and a 8 or 9 year old, this is a great little unit for that. Back here is your bath and shower. I'll scoot around, we'll trade places. Nice little shower and bathroom for a small trailer. Now this trailer doesn't have a slide, but they have the floor plan really nice to where they utilize all the space well. So here's your dinette, and then this is your bed. You got a nice AC in here. There's a bracket already installed up there for a TV if you want to add a TV. Good counter space for a small trailer. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.